I have a good news. I'm the last one who give the speech. Okay, I'm speaking about making knowledge transfer possible, industrial doctorates and something more. Thank you, Uncle. I'm Sarah Hatami from Knowledge and Technology Transfer Unit. Thank you, Uncle, for making us this opportunity and giving us to having this speech. Before last year, I had this honor to working with Uncle in the IXO group. We discovered that maybe I have other abilities, and I decided to move to OSRT. Maybe I can cooperate with work in other ways. Okay. As I mentioned, I am working in the Knowledge and Technology Transfer Unit, which is in abbreviation CATE. I mentioned it as a CATE during the presentation. It's a part of the OSRT. OSRT in abbreviation is a Research and Technology Support Office of the work. The objective of this office is to facilitate investigators to transfer their knowledge. And as my colleagues, Chris and Jose in the morning mentioned, they're trying to help investigators to applying for the project, doing project management, and also in OSRT, we try to improve innovation and entrepreneurship culture. OSRT contains different units: management, R&I, finance and budget, scientific support unit, R&I funding, and CATE. We are working all together to complete our objectives. What we do in CATE, the main objectives from CATE, we work to give value to our R&D results of their investigator, try to help them and support them to transfer their R&I results to the industry, to the company, and to the industry and to the environment, to the society. We provide, not long ago, we provide a service catalog online on the work website that you can search it. Here we are explaining in detail about what tasks we do from OSRT. Here in the exploitation of results and company creation, you can find more details about the operation and tasks that CATE offers. These are the tasks that my colleagues and I try to offer to the investigator and work community. For example, identification of the results, the transfer potential, development of the transfer strategy and roadmap to the market. Also, we're trying to define a strategy for the prediction of the R&I results, such as patent, if they are now, how, or if they are industry secret, and blah, blah. We prepare to studies and reports. We provide some valuable information for the researcher that they help them more to complete their transfer projects process. Also, we support the management of contracts and agreements related with the transfer projects, working with asesoría jurídica, guidance and support in the development of the proof and concept of the prototype if some transfer project they need it. Also, we promote and disseminations of the R&I results and trying to identify funding sources and support them in applying for proposal and transfer activities. Also, we do some entrepreneurships and company creation. We help our investigators who are interested to identify an initial promotion of the business idea that they have, support in the creation and startup of entrepreneurship projects. Also, we consulate and growth of spin-offs and startups. Related to the entrepreneurship and innovation culture, we have a very interesting platform. Its name is Habik. If you are from work community and never visit this website, I strongly recommend to visit it, because if you have any business idea, within this platform, we give you some information and we help you to create and define your business model, and we help you to bring and to form your business equipe and try to start your startup or spin-off. If you have any question, you can send email to my colleagues who are working in this platform. It's very interesting platform that we have in to promote innovation and entrepreneurial culture of the work. Okay, I have some responsibility in the group in CATE. One of them is marketing the license. Some R&I results finished with products. Maybe some of the investigation results finished and completed like a products. As we had some investigation from of the group of the Chavi about the sensor that they use it in the car. Maybe we have possibility to promote it and to speaking with some company to giving agreement to produce it. Then if we have some product in the university that has possibility to produce it in company, I tried to find the proper company who buy it and firm agreement with us, trying making agreement to produce it. Also, I promote the university and industry agreement, Article 83. That is the agreement between university and industry. In this agreement, they sign a contract which university offer the services and the industry give the services and give money, receive the services and give money. I am trying to find interested companies which are interested to the services and the products that our investigation group can offer. Then also, if any investigator of work have application interested, mobile application, also I can help them to find proper company to produce and to develop this application. I try to participate in different forum, exhibition to find proper companies which are interested to the services and the products that our investigation groups can offer. If here some EPs are interested to, I try to make contact with the principal investigator of the group that if they are interested to find a special companies that they can be interested in their investigation line, they try to help them to put them in contact. Okay, we have an interesting program which is granted by Catalonia government. It's industrial PhD, industrial doctoral program. I don't know if you know about it or no. The objective of this program is to contact industry with the university. It takes 3 years, and the principal elements of this program are PhD candidate, university, and the company. The title and the subject of the PhD proposal is written in respect to the need of the company and the challenges that company faced with. The PhD candidate started to work on the PhD thesis as an employee of the company as a full-time contracted employee, and the PhD candidate will have 2 responsibilities. One of them as a director of the PhD university, and another one as a responsible of in the company. And the Catalonia government grant and funded this project around 22,000 euros to company and to the university. Also, they pay for all the costs of the students for registration and movement if the candidates want to go to conference or whatever. I also try to find and to convince companies which first know this program and try to accept that we make different meetings to try to defining some PhD thesis titles and working with some of our investigations group. Okay, if you think that you have any possibility of knowledge transfer, if you have any question or you need more information, we are in the first plant. We can help you with any information that you want. Thank you.